Has there ever been that moment where you thought you had enough batteries for a full day of operation, but you just can't quite squeeze out that last mission with the power you have left? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it doesn't require carrying around a bulky generator or keeping your car on all day. And that is the River 2. Hey guys, Dylan Gorman here. Welcome back to another video with me. Today I'm excited to talk about the EcoFlow River 2 Max and how this little guy that packs a big punch has changed my view and how I plan for a full day of drone operation. But before we get into that little guy, I do want to talk about our sponsor for this video, and it is EcoFlow. EcoFlow creates eco-friendly power solutions that allows you to have power literally anywhere in the world. With the recent release of the River 2 series of portable yet powerful power stations under 1 kilowatt hour, it is the perfect solution for drone pilots like myself that need to stay up in the air all day long without needing to carry around gas generators or poor performing solar generators. What is unique about the River 2 series compared to the original River product is now you get up to 3,000 plus charge cycles lasting up to 10 years of use. Right now, EcoFlow is running a Black Friday sale that ends on November 28th where you can save up to 50% store-wide. Additionally, if you want to save 5% on top of your order, use the code in the description below. And again, thank you EcoFlow for sponsoring this video. And right here, I've got the River 2, so let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Talk about why it is such a huge improvement from last generation and why this needs to be in every single commercial drone pilot's back pocket. And essentially why it's gonna be part of my 2023 kit for my Mavic 3 Enterprise, my Mavic 3 Cine, and even some of the other drones I've got kicking around with me. So let's get this thing unboxed. So right off the bat, this thing actually is really compact. I actually did not expect how tiny this was gonna be. What's cool is it has this little handle here on the side. You've got your solar charging port right there. You've got your wall charging here. And what's actually insane about this is you can quick charge this in about an hour to have a full battery. On the front here, you've got one regular AC outlet. There's a half-size one, another half-size one, another full-size one. We've got 3 USB-A, a USB-C, that's 100 watt. We even have a car charge port here and a few other DC ports here, which is awesome. Nice display, on-off button, and we're already at 31%. So let's see here. What do we have in this box? I assume it's all of the charging cords. Indeed. Get this thing off because it's on. So here's your car charger. It just goes into the XT60 port on the back. Plugs into your cigarette outlet in the car. Here's your nice thick regular AC charging. And then another smaller DC cable. And you get your quick start guide. Nice. But yeah, honestly, this thing is really light, super compact. I can even keep this thing underneath the back of my my seat in the truck. So yeah, all you gotta do is just press this button here. She boots on, and there you go. You can see nice information on there, and I believe you can actually connect on your phone with this to monitor all the battery information in here. But let's go over some quick specs about this, and I want to actually take this out in the field and show how I would use a system like this to not only power my drone, but also power some of the other accessories that I bring with me. So let's check it out. So a few quick facts about the River 2 Max here. In about an hour, you can go from 0 to 100% charge. With its new battery technology, you have up to 10 years of use. You get 5 years of warranty. What's also great is you have 4 different ways to charge it between solar, AC, DC, and even its 100 watt power input of the USB-C port on the front. What's also pretty cool is their X-Boost technology that can output up to 1,000 watts of power in times of need. And all of this is in a portable and light 13.2 pounds, which is phenomenal for what this guy's able to do. What impresses me most about the River 2 Max here is, yes, it is so tiny, but the amount of battery capacity that is built in here allows me for extended flight times. Not to mention, I can get about 6 additional charges with the batteries here for the Mavic 3. If you own the Mini 3 Pro, you can charge that up to 18 times and get yourself over 720 minutes of flight time. And well, I've got the Matrice 300, and as much as I wish I could recharge all of the batteries that I have for it, unfortunately I can only get 1.5 charges out of just the River 2, but of course, EcoFlow has several other series that you can go and purchase from. So if you're looking to charge a bunch of M300 batteries, they've got power solutions for you too. And for those of you who have an iPhone 12 Pro or somewhere in the range that has an iPhone 12 battery life, you can charge it over 47 times before this thing's gonna die. So for those of you who love to be off the grid or just need extra battery power out in the field to power your tools or your equipment, this guy is gonna get you where you wanna go. And probably one of the coolest use cases that I had for the River 2 was this past weekend. I hosted a workshop here in Tampa, Florida. And in the workshop, I needed to power a TV, my laptop, and my hotspot. And well, this guy carried me throughout the entire session. It was only a 5.5-hour workshop, but even after the fact, I still had about 62% battery remaining after powering a TV that was only pulling about 47 watts for about 3.5 hours straight, which was fantastic. I mean, I actually did not expect this thing to perform so well, but this is going to be in my back pocket for all of my future workshops, which if you do want to find out about my future workshops happening next year, I'm going to be going to over 35 cities next year. So if you'd like to be part of one of these photogrammetry workshops, please be sure to check the link down below where you can find out all the information about where I'm going to host them, how much it's going to cost, and essentially what you're going to learn in them. And I'll tell you, there's a lot that you're going to learn. So with that being said, again, thank you EcoFlow for sponsoring this video. I really do believe that you need to have something like this in your back pocket, or at least just in the field with you, as you never know when you're going to need power in a pinch, and this serves that purpose with all of the ports that it has: USB, USB-C, regular wall outlets, and even a DC port for your car chargers for any of those weird devices that you have. This thing's perfect. And with their Black Friday sale, you can get a great price on this without having to break the bank. So thank you, EcoFlow, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, be sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts on this. I want to talk with you guys in the comments. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.